another thing we're going to do here now is we call a reservation box. So we're driving on this road, which is a Withington road, and speed on this road is 20 miles an hour here. So we're moving away from this car, signal left and come back into my side of the road. Now here in the middle there's a reservation box. Now most of the turn we normally do is near side to near side, but this turn is offside to offside. This is a slightly different turn. 90% turns we do normally is a near side to near side, when your passenger side of the other side, passenger side, meet each other in the middle there. So if you look here now, so left lane is here going right, we're going right here, so we give signal right. We're waiting for this car to move ahead because there's only space for one car to go there. There's a reservation box, so it's a dual carriageway, kind of dual carriageway. So we stop here in the middle first, then we look on the left side. If it's clear, which we see the gap coming up, we'll take the turn there. On the reservation box, this is a slightly different. This is offside to offside turn. So you got to be very careful when you come into this junction. If you try to go in the normal turn we normally do is a near side to near side, you already done the serious fall there, because you're not supposed to go into the right lane, because the right lane is for the oncoming traffic. If someone's turning right, they need that box, which is the right side on the road there. So you got to be careful there. This is, we came from Withington Road, turn right into Moldith Road West. So if you come in there and you're turning right into Moldith Road West, make sure you do is offside to offside. Stay straight across and follow the arrow on the road, which is the marking on the road for the reservation box. Right? Thank you. Bye bye.